So here's Momence App. This is the app to book your experiences and to book your yoga, Pilates, wellness, fitness, gyms, classes. And when you create an account, this is how it looks like. It's very nice and well-built app. So then you can just look for hosts, and then you can just search for hosts like so for example, you just find it like that, and then you just having them. You can always allow location, but this app is only available in US. So for example, you just go here, you can see the schedule, you can see classes specific, and then there is like then yeah, you can just book it like that, and then just all of the details. So pretty cool app. And yeah, you can just choose that. Then there is feed, there is like Instagram updates, and a lot of details about it. Then there is your inbox, and then there is account, and then there is memberships, and then there are payment methods, and then you can also refer some friends. So refer friends to eligible hosts and earn rewards. So pretty cool app, just for hosts and for yourself. Pretty cool app. So yeah, you can just go and get it. It's called Momence. So try it out.